path. Or the path you could go a shortcut. Then you would fall into a bunch of plants if you went through the tree. So let's go the normal path.
Sounds good.
The normal path is kind of deadly. Down here, deep. Going down deep. Oh, man. Gotta be careful. Water comes down there. I'm glad I'm wearing hiking boots. Look at the inside of this root tree. Wow. Oh man. If that one piece of bark goes boom, 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 the whole tree goes boom, boom. Come on, guys.